Hi everyone. A new scooter takes its place in the Honda range. The 2022 Honda ADV350 mixes the tough adventure style of its X-ADV sibling with a rugged chassis spec. That includes tubular steel frame, 37mm USD forks and remote reservoir rear shocks. Its 330cc engine produces a healthy 21.5 kilowatts and 31.5 Nm, with rear wheel grip managed by HSTC. The screen is height adjustable. There's room for two full-face helmets under the seat and a USB Type-C socket in the glovebox. An LCD dash integrates the Honda smartphone voice control system, while smart key operation adds day-to-day riding convenience. In 2016, when Honda unveiled the X-ADV, part big-bore scooter, part adventure motorcycle and clothed in all-new SUV-style bodywork, a rich vein of desire was opened with a bike that Europe didn't know it needed. As an example of genuine innovation, it has few equals in the past decade. Its success has more than justified Honda's decision to break that new ground. Through September 2021, the X-ADV is second in the sales list in the hotly contested on-off category. And now it's time for some of that forward thinking to filter down to the mid-capacity scooter market. Designed around the concept of new urban adventure, the new 2022 ADV350 mixes the sophistication and practicality of a polished scooter with rugged SUV style, drawing inspiration from the X-ADV. It's a fresh model that will appeal to a broad demographic riders and destined for a popular European segment. The ADV350 is born ready to explore the city, and beyond. Model overview. With its tough stance, the ADV350 already stands out from the homogeneous crowd, and rugged angles and block colors promote the off-road look. The X-ADV is an obvious style benchmark, but so too is the CRF series of off-road performance machines. Practicality has not been forgotten. There's room for two full-face helmets under the seat, USB charger in the glovebox and convenience of smart key operation. The screen is height adjustable and the LCD dash also integrates the Honda smartphone voice control system. The adventurous styling shows off the ADV350's front end. The riding position offers natural control, and the chassis, which includes 37mm USD forks, tubular steel frame and remote reservoir rear shocks, tuned to deliver agile steering, feedback and feel. Lightweight 15-inch front 14-inch rear wheels wear 120/70/15 front and 140/70/14 rear block pattern tubeless tires, allowing the ADV350 ample grip across all conditions. A 256mm single disc is matched to a 240mm rear. There's plenty of acceleration on tap, for urban and highway use. A 330cc, enhanced Smart Power Plus, ESP Plus, SOHC 4-valve engine delivers peak power of 21.6 kilowatts and 31.9 Nm torque. Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, and emergency stop signals are standard. The 2022 ADV350 will be available in the following color options: Spangle Silver Metallic, Matte Carbonium Gray Metallic, Matte Carnelian Red Metallic. Key features. Styling and equipment. Dual LED headlights lead the adventure style, set high above the front wheel. 2-stage height adjustable screen. LCD instruments and Honda smartphone voice control system. 2 full-face helmets can be stored under the seat, USB Type-C socket in the glovebox and smart key operation. The ADV350's styling gives more than a slight taste of adventure. Dual LED headlights, all lighting is LED, are set high above the front wheel, with the fairing sides cut out to show off the USD forks. Further accentuating the off-road feel, the painted panels are set high on blacked-out lower and rear seat cowl, giving an impression of the higher center of gravity of machines like the X-ADV and competition specification CRF 450R. A host of detail features are found around the ADV350 to add genuine versatility. The screen adjusts easily with a slide lock mechanism through 2 stages and 133mm travel. In the high position, airflow is controlled to wrap around the shoulders to reduce fatigue during longer, higher-speed journeys. For city environments, where some cooling air is often appreciated, as is open visibility, the low position is perfect. There's plenty of room under the seat, 48 liters in total, which means 2 full-face helmets can tuck neatly away. The compartment can be divided using a separator plate, to suit the owner's preference. A USB Type-C socket is also found in the lockable front left glove box, for smartphone charging. Seat height is an easy-to-manage 795mm. Keeping its rider fully connected, the ADV350's LCD dash integrates the Honda smartphone voice control system, which links the rider to their smartphone while on the move and allows voice management of phone calls and music. A helmet-mounted headset and Honda's Road Sync app are all that is needed to activate the system, and the smartphone connects via Bluetooth. Management of Honda smartphone voice control system is from the left switchgear. Another convenient feature is the Smart Key, which controls the main ignition switch knob and seat locking from the rider's pocket, and automatically locks the ADV350 when the rider walks away. It also manages the optional 50 liters smart top box. With the Smart Key present, the box is unlocked. An answer back switch also flashes the indicators for easy location. Chassis. Lightweight tubular steel frame, 37mm USD forks and remote reservoir rear shocks deliver agile handling and natural control. 6-spoke cast aluminum wheels run block pattern tubeless tires, disc brakes front and rear plus emergency stop signal, ESS, technology. As a scooter designed to handle the rough road rigors of the city, and even light off-road conditions, the ADV350's chassis is built to be confidence-inspiring. A lightweight tubular steel frame provides core strength. Wheelbase is set at 1,520 mm, with rake of 26.5 degrees and 89 mm trail. Wet weight is 186 kg. Motorcycle-style 37mm USD forks, with 125 mm stroke, are clamped by motorcycle-style top and bottom yokes, increasing rigidity for the entire front end. Twin remote reservoir shock absorbers use progressive, dual-rate springs and offer excellent suspension reaction on a variety of road surfaces, and when two up. With 130 mm travel, they work a one-piece aluminum swing arm. The wheel design is a new one for any Honda scooter. Cast aluminum and finished in black, the lightweight 15-inch front/14-inch rear use an X-shaped 6-spoke crisscross pattern. The design elevates road feel and all-round agility. 120/70/15 front and 140/70/14 rear block pattern tubeless tires offer a supple ride thanks to wide tread width and ample air volume. A 256mm single disc performs stopping duties up front, mated to a 240mm rear, with the benefit of 2-channel ABS for braking control. The emergency stop signal, ESS, system also operates, and self-cancels, the rear indicators during a hard stop situation, alerting road users behind. Engine. 330cc, Enhanced Smart Power Plus, ESP Plus, SOHC 4-valve engine. Peak power of 6 kW at 7,500 revolutions per minute, 31.9 Nm torque at 5,250 revolutions per minute. Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC. 5 liters fuel tank and 30 km/liter economy, WMTC mode, gives a potential 340 km plus range. The ADV350's 330cc, Enhanced Smart Power Plus, ESP Plus, SOHC 4-valve engine achieves both high environmental performance and strong output characteristic, for use in and out of the city, through comprehensive adoption of low-friction technology. Peak power of 21.5 kW at 7,500 revolutions per minute is matched to 31.5 Nm torque at 5,250 revolutions per minute. Bore and stroke are set at 77 mm by 70.7 mm, with compression ratio of 10.5:1. A roller-type rocker arm, plain journal crank bearings and sealed crankcases deliver long-term reliability together with strong performance. To enhance piston cooling, an oil jet, as used on the CRF 450R, sprays oil right to the back of the piston, advancing ignition timing and improving combustion performance. Oil capacity is 1.8 liters. Air is supplied via a 5.5-liter airbox and a 36mm throttle body feeds fuel/air mixture to 28mm inlet valves. The intake port draws air inefficiently, using a tumble flow within the cylinder for consistent fuel combustion. Exhaust gases are expelled via a straight exhaust port. To reduce exhaust gas resistance, the muffler uses dual chambers. Internal friction is reduced through a 5mm offset cylinder, hydraulic cam chain adjuster and the use of a scavenger pump. Used on high-performance machines, the pump lowers the internal pressure within the engine, reduces oil agitation and decreases pumping losses and internal rotational friction. A balancer shaft further reduces vibration and contributes to a smooth, enjoyable ride. An automatic centrifugal clutch works V-matic transmission, with ratios set for fast low-speed reaction and smart acceleration, and belt final drive. The ADV350's engine is also equipped with 2-level Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC. The system detects any difference between the front and rear wheel speeds, calculates the slip ratio and then controls engine torque via the fuel injection to regain rear wheel traction. HSTC can be switched on/off via a switch on the left handlebar. A D indicator in the display flickers when the system is working to manage grip. The engine is homologated for Euro 5, which from January 1, 2020, introduced significantly stricter engine emissions standards compared to Euro 4. These requirements include substantial reductions in permitted carbon monoxide emissions, an over 40% decrease in total hydrocarbon emissions, tougher misfire detection and the introduction of a particulate matter limit. Fuel economy is a frugal 30 km/liter, WMTC mode. The 11.5 liters tank capacity gives a potential 340 km plus range. Accessories. A range of genuine Honda accessories are available for the ADV350. They include 50-liter smart top box, rear carrier rack, direct fitment, inner bags, heated grips, U-lock, outdoor cover. Thanks for watching.